Hey, how are you, Kairu?
I am doing well, thank you. And I have another question for you, just like
Okay.
always. They just keep rolling in. So this one says, how do I identify personal tax deductible expenses
How do I identify personal?
as a
Okay,
business owner?
right. See, that's what I was just about to say. So if you're just talking about personal expenses, I mean, that list could be exhaustive, right? And if there's a publication for that, by the way. Anybody could go to the IRS publication 17, and that's laid out like the income tax, the individual income tax return. So there you can get explanations for all types of things that you could write off. But if this person is a business owner, then there are other publications that they can visit to see what type of expenses they can write off. One is 535. Publication 535 is for business expenses, and 587 is for business use of your home. And that's where a lot of times the personal expenses are, a portion of the personal expenses are deductible, when you're using your home and you're using your vehicle in particular. Otherwise, why are you looking for personal expenses that are deductible? Like, why are you looking for that? A tax
Grocery
professional,
shopping,
uh,
retail therapy. No, none of that.
no, uh, first of all, a tax professional should be doing your tax return. So I don't know why you're trying to figure out what that is, but let's say you are for some reason. I would say go to those publications. There's also a general publication, which is publication 334 for business taxes as a business owner or something like that. Okay, so tax guide for small business, that's what it's called. So yeah, that's the answer to that. Like, we couldn't get into the whole list, but I would say rely on a tax professional to help you understand what can be written off from your personal expenses, and keep really good records. That's what's going to make the difference, to keep good documents and a list of those payments, so that when it is tax time, you can just give your tax professional that number so
Yeah.
that they can do the appropriate deduction.
Yeah. So it sounds like the best route really is, of course, any business owner watching or listening could write a list of all these articles and take the time. Most won't have the time to actually go through that. So that's why it's really important to have a professional helping you with this, so you can keep clean records, and that's how you're going to identify those things that you need to know.
Yes,
Perfect.
agreed.
All right. Well, we're off for lunch, or you can answer emails and I'll go for a walk and I'll come back with another question today.
Okay, all right, later.